Okay, so you want to know how to find your profile link in your Facebook? Well, this video is mostly for Android and iPhone users, but in PC you can have your link here up on the screen. And now I'm going to teach to people on Android and iPhone how to do it. Well, when you go to your profile, you won't be able to find your link up here because you're using the application. So you have to find three dots that will appear in your profile. Click them, and down here, just in the bottom, you will find your link to your profile. So this way will be useful for you. So if this video was useful for you, I remind you to follow, like, comment, share, and press the bell in the subscription button. And you can also check my channel because I have a lot of Facebook tutorials and most things on my channel. So this is how is it. Easy way, and see you next time. Goodbye.